You're right. You're not my daughter. And I sure as hell ain't your dad. He's me.
He tried to... Joel, get up. Joel, fucking get up. Please stop. Please don't shoot. Joel, please get up.